Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Windows search protocol host stopped working. First method is, type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows search service, change startup type to automatic, start the service, click apply, click OK. Restart the service. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Indexing Options. Click Advanced, click Rebuild. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.